This is a perfect dinner idea on a busy night. I am going to cut up these potatoes and add them to my cast iron pan, and I'm going to get them started, get them cooking. After I get that done, I'm going to dice up an onion and add that in as well. I did add some avocado oil to begin with. This is some ham that I had frozen, and I like to cut it when it's frozen. It cuts so much better. I am just going to cook these until they are tender. I'm going to go ahead and take about 6 eggs and break them up, and then once I have them in the bowl, I am going to add a little bit of milk and give them a good stir. This is a great way to get a lot of protein in your dinner. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper in on ours, but you could add all sorts of things in there, whatever your family likes. And now that everything is tender, I'm going to go ahead and add in my ham and give that a good stir. All right, this is done, and this is perfect for me. I don't like it with egg in it. I'm going to put a little ketchup on this, and this will be my dinner tonight. It's so good. It comes together so quick. But if you want to add in a little bit more protein, just dump your eggs right in there. I love the one pot dinners. It's so handy to have on the busy nights. At the end of this video, I'm going to put up a couple of my other videos if you'd like to click on them, and I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button, and I want to thank you so much for watching.